Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I will show you how to sign in with the school provided email ID onto Zoom. Just open Zoom application. It will ask you to sign in. Click on sign in button. Now here on the bottom it will ask you three options. Single sign on, that is SSO, Google and Facebook. Click on Google. It will open this link onto browser. Here it will ask you the email address. Type the email address that you have been given by the school. For example, MD at Pakistan School.org. Press enter or click next. It will ask you the password. Enter the password. And press next button. Now here it gives you an option, launch Zoom application. Click on it. Here it gives you two options, remind later or view detail. Click on view detail. Here it gives you two options, consolidate into account and update email address. Just select the consolidate into account and press continue. As you can see, your account has been created. Now click on start Zoom. Don't sign in by giving the boxes of email ID and password. Again click on Google. Close it. If it doesn't open, close it and everything. Click on Zoom. Click on sign in. Again click on Google. It will open the link in the browser asking you to sign in with the email address. Select the email address that you have already signed in. Launch Zoom application. As you can see that you have signed in with the MD. If you want to see that if you have signed or not, go to setting and click on the email address. As you can see, account, it is signed in with the account MD. Go previously. Now you can join the class by clicking meet and chat and click on join. Provide the meeting ID password. It will allow you to enter in the class. Thank you.